This is Roger Dodger 49er. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow in the background. I bought this jewel. I call her Foxy Lady. Such a sweet bike, man. I just can't. 2009 R1200 GS, you know, the poor man's model or whatever it is. It makes me want to get up and scream, "Aw, Foxy." Because, man, it's just such a sweet bike. I had no idea. I've got a 2013 R1200 RT, and whoa, man. I don't know. This may be the only bike I need. It's that good. I mean, and this is a 2009 with 83,000 miles on it. That's what I've been riding in. I took it up on a trail, and it was icy, boys. A little bit scary, but there was some dirt, sand on top. I just stayed on that, but man, it's it does so good on the street. Well, you've heard this from other people, but then you got to experience it for yourself. That it crosses over between the dirt and the street. Yeah, like nobody's business. I had a KLR 650. I had that not Multistrada, but it was the sister of the Multistrada, the Aprilia Capenard, and I'll tell you what, man, this baby it'll stay up with the Capenard on the street and just leave it in the dust on the dirt. So I mean, I just can't imagine. You get to my age and you're more interested in balance, and this bike has the balance. But I paid $4,500 for this bike, 83,000 miles. Still, yeah, just Foxy, man. That's all I can say. Foxy. I'll have to show you that Olean shock. So you can see that little piggyback thing right there, which the shock is sat up. The bike's sat up for a couple of years, and the shock's leaking. So I guess I'm gonna have to go to Ted Porter or whatever that guy's name is in California. There you go, Ted. I heard you're pretty good, so you're getting some free marketing from me. I don't know who rebuilt it the first time. I think it's been rebuilt before. It wasn't the original shock, but I think the guy got a rebuild. But it's just pristine, man. 83,000 miles, and I'm hoping to put another 83 on it, right up to the Arctic Circle or something. Or maybe the TAT, Trans-America Trail. That'll probably be first. So anyway, this is Roger Dodger signing over and out.